Welcome back to Caravan Nest, your go-to channel for everything motorhomes, RVs, and life on the road in pure luxury. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary to review. This motorhome that takes elegance, engineering, and comfort to a completely new level. At first glance, you might think you're looking at a Rolls Royce on steroids, but what you're actually seeing is a motorhome designed to deliver the prestige of high-end automotive luxury combined with the practicality of a full-time rolling residence. Let's start with the exterior. Just look at this bold front grille. It's inspired by the iconic Rolls Royce design, complete with the chrome accents and the upright stance that screams prestige. The attention to detail on the front fascia is simply unmatched, and the chrome mirror caps and sleek body lines make this vehicle stand out even in a lineup of luxury RVs. It's not just about looks either. The aerodynamic curves help reduce drag, giving you a smoother ride and slightly better fuel efficiency for a rig of this size. Moving along the side, the length of this motorhome is impressive, yet it doesn't feel overly bulky thanks to the streamlined design and dual-tone paint job. The subtle graphics and polished alloy wheels add a layer of refinement that you don't often see in traditional RVs. It's practical too. Storage compartments line the lower half, providing plenty of space for tools, gear, or even outdoor furniture. Plus, the awning system above ensures you've got shade and shelter at the touch of a button. Now, step inside with me, because the real magic of this motorhome is on the interior. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by an atmosphere that feels less like a camper and more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Premium leather seating, real wood cabinetry, and ambient lighting combine to create a sense of class and comfort. The driver's cockpit is a dream. Ergonomically designed seats, digital displays, and a steering wheel that makes you feel like you're piloting a luxury SUV rather than a 40-foot motorhome. In the living area, the space is perfectly optimized for relaxation and entertainment. Plush sofas and recliners face a massive flat-screen TV, which is paired with a premium surround sound system. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or catching up on the news, the experience is every bit as good as being in a home theater. The windows are large and tinted, letting in natural light while maintaining your privacy.
Now let's talk about the kitchen. This isn't just a kitchenette, it's a full gourmet setup. You've got a residential-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and a deep sink with modern fixtures. Countertops are made from high-quality stone, giving you durability and elegance in one. Whether you're whipping up a quick meal on the road or preparing a full dinner for family and friends, this kitchen has you covered. Moving toward the rear, the master bedroom is where you'll truly feel spoiled. A king-size bed with premium memory foam mattress ensures a restful night's sleep after a long day of travel. There's plenty of wardrobe storage, plus additional smart storage compartments cleverly hidden throughout the space. Ambient lighting creates a cozy and luxurious vibe, and with blackout shades, you can sleep in peace no matter where you've parked for the night. Of course, no luxury motorhome would be complete without a spa-like bathroom, and this one delivers in style. You'll find a spacious shower with glass doors, rainfall showerhead, and high-end fixtures that rival a five-star hotel. The vanity area features solid countertops, ample storage, and elegant lighting. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Now let's take a look at the technology packed into this motorhome. From climate control systems to smart lighting, everything is controlled at the touch of a button, or even from your smartphone. Solar panels and high-capacity batteries make off-grid living not only possible, but comfortable. There's also an advanced entertainment hub, Wi-Fi connectivity, and multiple USB and power outlets, so you're always connected. On the road, this motorhome drives with surprising ease. Thanks to a powerful engine, advanced suspension, and noise insulation, the ride is smooth, quiet, and stable. You won't feel like you're commanding a massive RV. Instead, it's more like gliding in a luxury cruiser that just happens to have an entire home attached. Now, let's be real. This motorhome isn't for everyone. With its design, craftsmanship, and features, it comes with a price tag that reflects its exclusivity. But for those who want the ultimate in mobile living, who want to combine travel, comfort, and prestige into one seamless experience, this motorhome is in a league of its own. So what do you think? Would you take this luxury machine on a cross-country adventure, or would you keep it as the ultimate road trip companion for special occasions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching today's review on Caravan Nest. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest motorhome reviews. Until next time, keep exploring and keep chasing the open road in style.